Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup PostgreSQL for AI embeddings using pg_dump step-by-step clearly. Open your terminal or command prompt. Ensure you have PostgreSQL installed and running. Log into your PostgreSQL database using the following command: psqlu your_user. Replace your username with your actual username. Replace your database with the name of your database. To back up a specific table containing AI embeddings, use the pg_dump command. Type the command pg_dump your_username d your_database t your_table backup_file.sql. Replace your table with the name of the table you want to back up. Replace backup_file.sql with your desired file name for the backup. Press enter to execute the command. If prompted, enter your password. Once the command completes, check the folder for your backup file. To back up the entire database, use the command pg_dump your_username d your_database full_backup.sql. Again, replace full_backup.sql with your preferred file name. Press enter and enter your password if prompted. After the process is done, locate the full backup file in your directory. It's a good practice to verify your backups periodically. Use a test environment to restore the backup and confirm its integrity. To restore a backup, use the command psqlu your_username d your_database backup_file.sql. Replace backup_file.sql with the path to your backup file. Enter your password if necessary. Monitor the terminal for any errors during the restoration process. Once complete, check your database to ensure the restoration was successful. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.